Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you. I won a giveaway last month and they barely sent this to me Saturday and today's Monday. So I won a giveaway with Natural Budgeting Beauty. I think that's her name. Yeah, she's on Instagram. She has a small business, so y'all should check her out if you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna start unboxing. This is the box that it came with. It's pretty big, but I can't remember what I want. So the first thing is these beauty blenders. Wow, this is a cool case. It's big. Oh, that's her name. Wow, I've never seen people do this before. That's pretty cool. So let me open it. So they're all like the same color, like yellow, orange. They're different shapes. Like this one has this side. This one looks like the Real Techniques. Oh no, it's this one. Oh no, this is a beauty blender. The Real Techniques, the shape, not the color. And then this one. Oh, this one's stuck. Oh, it's the same. It's just white nude. So this is pretty cool. I've never seen someone sell their beauty blenders in a case like this. This is sorry, really helpful. Wow, I don't even want to use them and get them dirty. They look nice. Okay, the next thing is, oh wow, brushes. I need brushes. Anyone who does makeup needs a lot of brushes. They always get dirty, but look, these are purple. They have like a glitter on them. Let me see. I'm gonna open this big one. You see, it's like glittery. It's in the inside, not the outside. So it feels smooth. It's just, it looks cool. Well, and then the bristles, and then the bristles are purple. They're really soft. Oh, I shouldn't do that. I need to wash them first, but they're really soft. Wow, I'm excited to use these because I've been using the same dirty old ass brushes from like since I started makeup. Some are new, but they're still a few years old, so I'm excited, and these look nice. So those are the brushes. I'm gonna wash these. Okay, I think this is the last thing is, ooh, these lashes. These look really pretty. They are natural, but I'm loving natural a lot more now because I'm doing like the more creative looks and I don't have a lot of lid space, so they hide when I use the big ones. So I mainly like to use these now. I don't know if they're foaming or cruelty free. I haven't checked. Oh, the name is Goddess. Wow, I think that's it. Wait, yeah, because the rest is just worms. So I think her favorite color is purple because look, even her tissue paper is purple. Everything's purple. So yeah, that's all pretty much it. So thanks to Natural Budgeting Beauty for sending me this products and for doing this giveaway. Hope y'all like this little short fun unboxing. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.